Hidden in the jungle for years, this MiG-29 was left to decay. Covered in rust, vines, and dirt, the aircraft had completely lost its purpose. Carefully, the team begins clearing the debris, revealing the full structure beneath. What once looked like scrap is now a machine worth saving. The aircraft is lifted out and transported to the restoration facility. Inside the hangar, the process begins with a full wash, removing years of dirt and corrosion. With the surface cleaned, the real damage becomes visible. Panels are worn, metal is weakened, and critical components are no longer functional. The engine is removed and taken apart for inspection. Damaged internal parts are identified, repaired, and replaced.
See this wear? It's worse than last time. Yeah, the bolts are loose too. Mark it. Will do. Let's check the seals. Agreed. This section is critical.
At the same time, the cockpit is restored, wiring fixed, and instruments brought back to life.
Wiring looks good here. Okay, let me check the nav system. Getting a clear signal now. Good. Mark it.
Landing gear and structural components are repaired and reinforced. The aircraft body is rebuilt, panel by panel, restoring its strength. Once everything is ready, the engine is carefully reinstalled. With repairs complete, the aircraft is prepared for painting. A primer coat is applied, followed by the main paint and final markings. Now fully restored, the aircraft is ready. Inside the cockpit, the system is activated. For the first time in years, the engine starts again. The aircraft comes back to life. What was once abandoned is now fully operational again. If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.